Oh, lasso, lasso, tujiche. Now I cannot
Okay, we are in
see,
business now.
now I cannot see the video. I cannot see the guy's video, our video.
I thought I was the only one low tech, no? Okay. So I have somebody else.
Where it went? Oh, okay. Lasso. That have song. Okay. Um, oh, okay. I cannot see. No, come on, go. I'm not good at this. How to do this? View.
Any expert among us on the IT? Please help Ginla.
La. Immersive. Tiramisu.
Maybe you should press on the Zoom icon below.
No. Tiramisu. I pressed something, I think. It just changed the setting. Okay. Now let's try like this. Okay, came. That's left on. Okay, Tujiche. Now we already introduced shortcut of past tense, pa yin as a yin and pa re as a re. And we also revision about how to use and when to use song in the past tense. When you witness something someone did in the past tense. 하고숭아? 응? At that time you say song. 하고숭아? 라소 데네 엘렉스라 케랑키 송키 콜라 식줍스로나. 응?
Donkey Korla.
송. 가방에 족보
Song, ага.
삐졌어.
Um,
봐봐. 뒤돌아봐.
um, uh, 가상 nge tropo um, um, hmm.
응.
아, 시기매. um,
가상의 족보 or 가상
tropo
인기 or 가상 rinpoche anyone. 응?
가상 rinpoche ki songche nangsong.
That's it. If you witness it. 하고숭아 가상 rinpoche 송체 낭송. right? Or 가상의 부구 카바르 땅송. 가상의 부구 카바르 땅송. 나당 부구
Mhm.
추츠직 개차시바인. right? Or 추츠직 개차시인. Anything. 하고숭아 라쏘 빼고. 라수 송춘낭송 스르와 테네야 I have written down here some verbs we already know most of them 르바 칼락사 차퉁 창퉁 추퉁 레까체 두글록퀸 maybe it's new word wear clothes 두글록 cloth 르바 퀸 wear 두글록퀸 아고승아 올라서 테네데 동버트루 르바 동버트루 face wash 동버트루 르바 차차 라서 동버트루 하고승아 now you can also suputru whole body we learn suputru 동버트루 르바 테네 깨차시 we already know talk 깨차시 르바 깨차시 테네 이케티 야키고이 카댕보케 바라타드라 키쿠드리 이게트리 르바 right letter 르바 이게티 테네데 서규르 서규르 news 르바 녜 listen news 르바 서규르 news 테네 타라타 트라 키쿠 트리 와 트리와 타라타 트라 키쿠 트리 사 트리와 티 ask question 트리와 question tree ask 르바 트리와 트리 빼고 then we have here Pechalok Lobjong study Lobjong 르바 Lobjong 테네 뇨차갑 shopping buy things 르바 뇨차갑 테네 ngultu true give ngul money 하고서 ngultu 칼락tu 탭tu anything 하고서 테네 제모제 we already learned that play 제모제 르바 now you can say volleyball 제 football 제 basket 제 제모제 anything hide and seek 제 르바 디다고 तदिने शेतों गुरुवा ला 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 शेतों रुवा शेतों तेने दे लुचेल से exercise से रुवा लुचेल से so here some very common verbs here goes लुचेल से शेतों 제모제 뇨차갑, 롭종치, 빼찰록, 트리, 서규르닌, 하고승아, So like this here, okay? So we will practice this. Also today we will learn some honorific words, how to use them. 하고승아, I have written down on the side of the verb, actual verb here. And for honorific, please use it for always on the other person, never on yourself. 하고서 that's like a kind of a rule we did. I don't know why it is. You cannot honorific yourself, but that's the rule. 하고서 Okay? 올라서 다들 당보 칼락사 카 mouth 르바 락바 칼락 food 칼락사 피자사 모모사 파스타사 하고서 anything you can bite 사 하고서 올라서 so for that we have word 쉘락추 하고서 for 칼락 we have 쉘락 사추 들어와? Alex Lagi Sheila Chu song. Just like that.
Tenzin Le.
Yes, please.
So is the honorific, so it looks like kalak sa is a noun, kalak, plus a verb, sa.
Yes, yes.
And so I was expecting the honorific to only change the verb, but it looks like the noun is also changing.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Noun also changes. Ruba. Sheila,
Okay.
Sheilak. But it's not that complicated. First time when you hear, it is a little bit, new. But anything, when you hear it again and again, it's common. Agosma. So Shelak Chu, you notice it. For Kalak, we have Shelak and then Chu here. Agosma, Shelak Chu. Then for we have here, Ruba, Chatung, Sulcha. For Cha, we have Sulcha, Sulcha, Chu here. Agosma. Now, if you notice here, whether it's drinking or eating, it's Chu. Honorific is same. Okay? Whether it's drinking or eating, if you notice here, honorific is chu, same. Okay? Now, if you look down here, 추통, 누가? 추통, 찹, 추, 찹, 추. 하고서 찹추, 찹추. 누가? So, if you notice, drinking and eating both have same chu, chu. Okay. Now, if you notice again here, we have here 두글록큰, wear cloth. Wear cloth. And we have here nasa chu. We also use chu here. 하고서 quite easy. Eating, drinking, wearing. chu. 하고서 And let me tell you the reason here why it is chu. Because normally we use chu as offering, chupapu, chuten, all this same spelling, chupapu. When you offering, when you do offering, chupapu. So why? Because getting hungry, getting thirsty, and all this, you may have heard that our Rinpoche tell us it is inside us also. So we are offering to yourself or to anyone. Shelak chu, sulcha chu, like you offering. Remember? Oh, he offered food for himself like this. Kongi shela chue songs. Hola, so. How goes on? So like this. So for even for wearing, nasa chue. Remember? Na. It's like a body. It means ancient term for body. Sa, eating. Chö. Ruba. So bodies consuming or wearing. Ruba. Huh? How goes me? Hmm? That's why we use chö in eating, wearing, drinking. Also, chöpapu. Also, same spelling as chöten, the stupa. How goes me? Hmm? Like this. 따고송아 렐라보드와 젤라추 솔자추 추창추 for chang we have 추창추 어 그리고 추창추 찹추 나사추 그리고 두글로큰 just some example of honorific very common honorific 하고송아 rinpoche lagi shela chue song if someone asks rinpoche lagi shela chue song is rinpoche lagi shela chue song rồi rinpoche la tata shela chue ma song rồi đi ra bo chue song chue ma song how nga okay
Gela,
yes
Gela, the word Tuglok Ken, Ken, how did it become Ken? Tuglok, okay. But the last one, Ken, how did it become Ken?
hmm
Ka, and then,
that's it
uh,
ka ya tak kya
yeah.
yeah continue
Ha, okay. Ka, Yata, Kya, and then Naro.
kya and
Should be
naro
Ko.
kyo kya
And
plus
then Na.
naro 나, 견. 하고서나 도블록견.
So, okay, so it's not Ken, it is Kyun. Okay. Because I couldn't make it as a kid, no? So, Kyun.
도블록견. You see here 나로. 가야타 캬.
Yeah. That's what, no? That's why I was confused. Okay? It doesn't sound like Ken. It should be, because it's O sound there on top. Yeah. Okay.
No problem.
Dongjoshi.
Whether you write 가야타 캬나로 견나 견 or 가나로 견나 견. 찍발에. Both are same meaning. Where?
Okay. So, Kun. Okay. So we can also write as Kanaro, Ko, and then Na, Kun.
Mm.
The na changes the pronunciation. It's
Yes.
like it adds like a jingle.
Yeah, with the yatak, no?
그리고 견, not 건. Because of
Yeah,
the
kyun.
N sound.
Yeah, kyun. Yeah. Okay.
빼고. 또 하고서나. We know here, sa, tung, and kun. We can use chu here. How goes on? Shall choose? Hola, so. So for drinking, eating, wearing, we can use chu as a verb, honorific. Now, for mostly leka che, ropa che, raba yapo che, all these che, you can just change it to nang. How goes ma? Just giving you a little bit idea. We will go through it again and again. How goes ma? Oh, lasa. So for che, you can use nang. Rokpa che, rokpa nang. Leka che, chakle nang. Raba? Yakpo che, yakpo nang. Didabo. And then we have also a verb ending in gyab, gyab, gom gyab, nyocha gyab, kompa gyab. If you remember, for gyab, you can just change it to kyun, kyun, nyocha kyun, gom kyun, kompa kyun. Some technique of using. Hagosunga. Okay.
Ako masong.
Oh, so we have a verb that is ending in gyap here. If you look at
Yeah.
here, nyocha gyap. There is
Nocha
also
gyap, yeah.
word, we have also other word gom gyap.
Yeah.
So you see gyap gyap same. When there is a gyap,
Yeah.
you can, if you want to change it to honorific, you can just change the gyap to kyun here. Then it's honorific. Hagosunga. Okay. For nyocha gyap, nyocha kyun. For gom gyap, gom kyun. Like that.
What does nocha mean?
Nyocha gyap means shopping.
Oh yeah, you said.
Hagosunga. Like this. So some little bit example of honorific. Don't worry, even Tibetan don't know properly. They speak like a normal speaking. Only very respected and well-mannered family, they speak like this. I don't also speak like that. Okay? Like this. Okay. Last. Oh, that's it. Not that important for me. If it's important for you, please focus. So, more important, we will learn the past tense, how to end in past tense here, using the verb. More important to know this shortcut. 가상의 뭐뭐 세바인, 가상의 뭐뭐 세인. 그봐? 니망강은라 림부첸기 송추 낭파레. 니망강은라 림부첸기 송추 낭레. Shortcut. 그봐? Now song is when you witness it. 아고스가 예 족부 뭐뭐 세송. 예 족부 피자 세마송 뭐뭐 세송. 니말라기 창통마송 추통송. 라고. 그봐? So like this. 아고스가 okay? All us. Now let's practice little bit song here. Okay? Get ready. 2-3 sentence about song you witnessed in the past. Yeah, then Nimala in the Nimala. Try Chetan.
Kasan charpa papsong.
Pewo. Kasang Charpa Papswan.
Kasan charpa papsong.
Ani?
Касан не томла чинпа... Нет, это ну... Касан... Касан надан рокпа джель сон.
The Digma song.
Касан дан рокпа нямду джель сон.
Pewo. Kasang
Нямду
Rokpa
tukson. Tukson.
Tuk song or jail song.
Tukson. Джель сон.
Met or so. Jail or tuk. Pewo. Kasang Rokpa Nyam to Tuk song. 가상 록바냠도 제일 송. 가상 림부치엔 제일 송. 그봐? If you saw 림부치, 그봐? 가상 림부치엔 제일 송. 그봐? 빼고 송송. 얘네야 맥그레거 라인다. 트라이 체단. 송.
Tering Nima nge Rinpoche la Nyamtu Kechashish Song.
딕마송. You cannot witness yourself in this term. 그봐?
Oh, I forgot about that.
Because
So
you are
it's only other people.
mostly 90%, 90, yes.
Okay.
99%. Yeah.
Kasang Rinpoche la Sungchu Nang Song.
That's it. But you missed the action duo particle. That's okay. But Agosuma.
Okay.
Kasang Rinpoche Laki Sungchu Nang Song. Peago. Yanker Shimba. Other.
Another
You can say Longangun La. 5 years before, 2 days before. Anything.
Longa Ngunla Nye Trok Peu France La Chin Song.
That's it. Longangun La Nye Chokpe France La Chinsong. Peago Song Song. Tujichi. Agosung. Just like that. Please practice. Agosung. Shortcut here. Also. Agosung. Tene Nicolela Chiksung Tang. Yeah. Song La.
Lagen tesilelim. Nima ni Gyeonlan gatso böke Jongsong. Kasan drogpo Linkala Chensong.
That's it.
Jun tek chicken Gyeonla ne pugo momo sesong.
Peago. Dintra Chikungun La. 1 week ngun La. Ruba. Dintra Chikungun La. Nye Pugu Momo Se Songs. Ruba. Peago Song Song Nicolela. Peago. Very easy. We can see here. Ruba. Hola. So.
And one question, Drivachik. You gave us Sargyur Nien to listen to news. Can we use Sargyurulta to see the news? Sargyurulta?
To watch the news. That's it.
Okay.
Sargyurta, Temota, Netflix ta, YouTube ta. Ruba. Watch. Ruba, very important word. Ta. Watch. In meditation, that's the most important thing. Ruba. Watch. Pay attention, Ruba. Ta. Pehago song 하고 송한테네 야 달아라 try 치기인데 달아라
La, Gela.
try song with the
Yeah. Kasange Moti No Cha Gyapsong.
that's it. 가상 예 가리 yours
Mol Ki.
말해 딩마서 you cannot
Limasong.
song for yourself like a common action. It's only
Song cannot.
person 하고 송아
Okay.
연결
Kasang Bangkok la Charpa Papsong.
그래고 가상 뱅콕라 차르바 팝송. Don't worry, light gone. but luckily I have battery here. Wi-Fi is on. Wah, that's- oh,
uh,
mm,
uh, Kasang, uh, um, Kasang, uh, Fuku, Fuku, Kasang nge Fuku la, Chang Tung Song.
that's it. Ngepuku ki. He's the action
Nge Fuku ki, Kasang nge Fuku ki, Chang Tung Ki Song.
Chang Tong Song. That's it. Very good.
Chang Tung Song. Yeah.
Wah,
Uh, Kasang
uh,
Trokmo,
mhm,
Kasang Trokmo, Ki, Demo,
uh-huh.
Ta, Ta Sung,
Ta Song. That's it.
Ta Song. Okay, no need for any verb at the end. Okay, Demo Ta Song. Okay.
That's it. Good enough. Osuna Tarala Tujiche. As we can see,
Say,
Wah, how to use
yeah,
song when you witness it in the past. How goes
but not for yourself or for third person. Huh? Okay.
Yes, yes. Right now, you take it like this. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
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 Okay, you use it for yourself also, but very rare occasion. So that's why take it like that right now
O-
for other person.
Okay.
How goes
Okay. Like we say hako song and hako masong for yourself also, right?
Yes. Mm.
Okay. Yeah.
Wah,
Do you share?
fair, fair. Hola. So now we know shortcut of Ruba, yin, re, pa yin, pa re, and song here. How goes And some the verbs. Tene yanala kiranki tsiktup kashi sungro na song gangla.
nga kumpa ma chong nga psychologic nya la nga yung tup ki me nga sinjala yung tup ki me
Okay.
nga lega che bai kesa nga longching la nya la
Logic ngun la.
no kesa nga longching radio
Lungtin.
longching la nya song
Nyen pa yin re. Ngala nyen song la be yu marwa.
nala
Ngala song la be yu marwa. First person la.
nya bai
Rwa. Nyen
nya
yin. Yana nyen pa yin. Rwa.
nya bai nala nya bai okay
Song peju.
nga nga moja dang tu when I drive nga moja dang nga longching la nyen gire
Nyen pa yin. Nyen yin.
nyen I
Rwa.
listen to it nyen you I listen to it
Marwa nyen yin. Nyen ki yu.
nyen
Then general.
Yankee
Motor tangti lungtin radio la nyenki yus, rwa. Tene kiranki song peju tanglo nam, song.
song come song 예, 심히, 님이 심히 이제 예스 많고 셔서
Peyago. Netsul mango she song, rwa. Netsul mango she song, laba imbe.
최소.
Lasso, lasso. Just like that, you cannot use it for yourself, for other things, rwa. Nye Puku, Nye Chokmu, Donald Trump ki, Tenzin ki, Alex ki, Kong ki, Rwa? Kong ki Kala Sason, Kong ki She Tang Son, Kong ki Momo Sason, Kong ki Chang Tung Son, Donald Trump ki Tariff Par Son, Rwa? Just like that. So, Shimi ki Oma Tung Son, Rwa? Ki Kalak Sason, Rwa? Just like that. How goes nga? Paya go sung sung. Tuji che, yana la. Tene ya, wangmula dichik chongdar che tang. Ya. Siktub re soro na.
가상의 남가라 족보남 특성
Paya go.
콩출
Kasang ye lamka la, chokpo nyam tu tuk sung. Ani?
콩출 좀라 칭송
Kongsu chom la chin sung. Paya go. Tene ya di.
테네 테네 야당 족보남 콩초기 낭린당 파유 거와 시레
Paya go nangmi tang payu kor kecha she pa yin. Or kecha she. Rwa? How goes nga? Very good sentence.
바꿔서 주제시
Nangmi kor about family. We learned that. Right? Nangmi kor kecha sheyin. Peo. Teni yeah. This one thang. Dila sektor she said. Past tense general. Right?
네. 파상의 파상의 좁물 제모제래
That's it. Samut general knowledge, not witness. How goes one? Lasso, wangmola, pea gosung song, tujiche.
주제시
Olas.
What does Gemma J mean?
Zemutse play. Right?
Oh, I misheard. Okay.
Zemutse. Now you can football tse, volleyball tse, basketball tse, cricket tse, baseball tse, anything. Game Boy tse, PlayStation tse, Xbox tse, Rwa? Alright, so, now we know the shortcut of past tense here. Let's try some future tense. Revision. He in, he re, Ani? Sorry, Rwa. If we remember. Oh, las. Teneya.
Tenzin sorry, while we don't go far away from depth, I have a question.
Yes, please.
Today you give us two shortcuts. If we have pain, we just can say yin. If we have pare, we can just say re.
Yes,
But I cannot understand your formula. If we have song, you write just exclamation mark. What is the shortcut for song? How we just don't use it, or we put it where it be?
So actually, it is.
What is the shortcut for song?
Okay, there is no shortcut for song. Usually, when we read it,
No.
we read it very, we pronounce it very well, song, like this. But as a Tibetan, when I speak with my friends, and my friend speaks, they just say so, like very quick. Komomosas. Sometimes only only. That means song. Okay. So this is not important right now. How goes ma? First, let's learn song here. Then you will understand when you talk in a real life. Maybe in some lesson I will bring random Tibetan here. You can ask any question you want. Practice it. Please take opportunity and ask any question. Hmm? Then see how he or she speaks. Like this. So here, the shortcut here, pa yin as a yin, pa re, song, there is no shortcut here. Song. How goes na? That's it. Now for future tense, in the previous, we learned ki yin, ki re, sa re. Ki yin, mostly for yourself. Ki re, for other in general. How goes na? And sa re, in future tense, mostly used for weather in future tense. Charpa bhapsa re, khang bhapsa re, nima sharsa re, like this. Okay, in the future tense. Okay, okay. 야, 되네. 왕충충라 인다. 왕충충라 식두브레 레서로나. future tense 라.
라서 록직 제라 nga 배율라 로깅
빼요. 로직 젤라 베일라 두기인스 르바. 아니?
상인 공기 모모 속이래
빼요. 되네 디?
the 상이 잡아 잡아 파사래
That's it. Sanin charpa bhapsare. You wanna add location?
상이 도쿄라 잡아 파사래
Sani Tokyo la charpa bhapsare. 르바. 빼요. Just like this. Okay? As we saw here. Now one more shortcut. Very colloquial. There is no meaning in the written form. But they speak like this a lot. One shortcut for kiyin, we have just kanaruko. There is no meaning. It's just a sound like this. Ko. Raba? Sani nganso Kathmandu la drogo. Sani nganso Kathmandu la drogi instead of Raba? Ame khala sogo. Ame khala soki. We learned that before. Raba? Ame khala sogo. How goes nga? So ko. Very common in speaking. How goes nga? Ame khala sogo. Raba? Tidrabo. Yamena ngansu tsangma. Cinema hall la draws. Cinema hall la drogo. Drogi. Raba? So little bit difference here. Okay? Key in normal future tense. Ko you can also use as a what do you say the word like let's go, like what is this? Is this like is this like a request or a command or something like that?
Imperative.
Yes, yes. So let's take it like that. Ngaju changma cinema hall la drogos. Sometimes like this. You can also use this. How goes ma? Hmm? If we remember in the previous lesson, when we read conversation, we read the sentence. Shutwe nga pala, nang la show come at
Sure.
home 5 o'clock. Shutwe nga pala, nang la show ame kala soko, ame kala sokin, ame kala soko. I will make food. Mother will cook food. Huh? Just like that. So ko, when you see ko in the conversation, when we read in the next classes, then you will remember, oh, it's same as keen. Hakosuma? Okay? When you see,
If
yes, please.
if it adds something, if adds something new as a command request, as an imperative mood, it means it's not the pure shortcut. It's something close but different,
Yes.
isn't it?
Little bit different with it's like this. So if you don't have extra pen, I will lend you. I will lend you. So when you say I will lend you, it is simply it's a verb, lend you. But in that sentence, you can also hear some kind of permission given, permissive. So it's like this kind of thing. Okay? Hmm? How goes when you say, if you don't have a pen, I will lend you. Very simple sentence. I will lend you. I will lend you.
Керан la nyuku me, keran nyuku men na,
Hmm.
yar
Nge yar.
yargin,
Nge yarko.
ne yargin, ne
Hmm.
yargo.
That's it. How goes you can also say nge yarki, nge yarko. Hmm? Like this. How goes So it's mixed. Okay? Unseparable. Hmm? How goes So like this. Little. We already know key in. Sanyi nge Kathmandu la druki yin. Sanyi nge Palanyamdu Sakhang la druki yin. Just like that. Teneya Maila in the Maila. Maila Tsikdup Suruna. Yeah. Future tense la.
三人같은 도모 냠트 모 모이 파유네 con dogo
Tronker la druki yin.
여기
Pego. Tronker the Tronker city.
덩켈
Pego. Tene kire.
키레 톡삼제라 게 남이 녀차가 키레
That's it. Toksam jela nge nangmi nyocha gyakide. Pego. Tene sare.
사레 로치제라 잘파 밥사레
Logic jela charpa bapsare. Hey, kale hakurba. Very dry.
Can I say 로치제라 도마탄 다시 찬사 gap 참사겹살에.
That's it. That's it. You figure it out. 좋아? 로직 제라 드마 당자시 장사 겹살이. That's it. It's just your guess. 좋아?
possibility.
좋아? 빼고 숭숭.
What was the verb in that sentence?
장사 겹 메리. 좋아?
Oh yeah. Okay. But why would you use oh, because you're guessing.
Yes.
Okay.
장사 겹 is the verb, then you say sare. Like this. 좋아? 때나 로니 제라 맥그레거 당 힐러리 클린턴 장사 겹살이. Did 하고서
Ako masong.
Last. 다행이다. 히유레 히둑. 누가? We already know kiyu for yourself. Kiyure, general knowledge. 누가? Kiduk. Oh, moment. 누가? And we already know this is not only at the moment. We can use it as a general sentence. Or every day I go to school. I go to school. I am going to school. All these sentences, all these three situations, you can use this present tense. 하고서 기유, 기유레, 기둑. Not only at the moment, but also every day and general. 하고서 베나 다땅이 벽에 종기유. 니마 딱발이 벽에 종기유. 참참이 벽에 종기유. You see kiyu in all three situations. How goes na? Just like that. Yeah. Tene Rhinonla in the Rhinonla. Rhinonla situp suruna.
아니 present tense.
Rere.
그래? nge kalastagiyö. 아니
No. Nge kalasaki ruba. Ani?
past tense mongpi?
Nimata.
nge kalastagiyin.
Mare. Nimatakpar. Every day, every year, every month, like this. Ruba.
Nimarere nge kalastagiyö. Nimarere ya.
Nimatakpar.
Nimatakpar.
Karelamna. Okay. Tene ya kiyuri.
아니 니혼기 칼라 배심포기요래 no 기요래 죄송 I forgot
Kiyuri. General for other person. Ruba.
other person okay ngay drug mo lobjukla drogi yore nimarere drogi yore
Nye chokme with the
ngay drug mo
action doer particle. Ruba. Manaro more sab.
re
Nye chokme lobda droki yore. Nye chokme leka cheki yore. General. Ruba. Ruba. 아니 다타 계란기 chokme 가르치기 yore.
Data ngay drug mo champagyap gidu chamchamla drogidu
Well, if you're witnessing, but if it's your general knowledge, then 다땅의 족무 참참 좋기 요래 general knowledge 참참 좋기 둑 Oh, moment. You were witnessing it. Hagosunga.
Hakusung,
Just
hakusung.
like that. When to use this? Hagosunga. Perna? Let's say. Tata. Tata nge. Pyoke lopki use. Ruba. Tata. Nge palaki. Temutaki yures. I'm not witnessing, but I know. It's my general knowledge. 제상 타당에 빨라기 때문다기 요래. 좋아? 응? Now 기둑. 좋아? 오! 니말라기 셰동 기둑. 좋아? If I'm seeing Nimala singing, oh, Nimalaki 셰동 기둑. 좋아? 응? Like this. So that's when you use kiduk. Agosma, please keep in mind, practice this properly. Okay? Very important. Agosma, from sentence, the way you speak, I will know whether it's your general knowledge or it's your recent witness. Yeah. New knowledge. If you say, I know that it's general knowledge for you if you say this to me. If you say, I can understand you are a little bit surprised also. Oh, so from sentence, the way you speak to me, I will know right away. So very important subtle difference here when to use this. Okay? So that's it for today. Just a little bit revision. And I will suggest us to please practice. We have already spent a lot of time, all of us, and let's make it something. Practice well. If you have question, you can ask in the WhatsApp also. 하고서 부지치. 근데 뒤와 옆에 니말라 통상
좋아요.
맞어.
I don't understand dagin, que,
오,
she,
빼요.
tanson. What is dagin?
빼하고.
Please explain.
We know already 그 시빼야고 땅송. When I say 그 시빼야고 땅송, he sang very well. Because I use song, I witnessed it. Now, Hakim is timing of past tense, little bit before, just before. Hakim, new word. Hakim. 하고서 just before. Hakim. Hakim 그 시빼야고 땅송. Just before he sang very well. That's it. Any any other question? That's all. And then
Yeah, Tenzin, what?
Yes.
I was wondering where Yen. We've not seen Yen Hung for a while. Has he stopped? Has he stopped coming to classes?
Oh, Yen Hong. I don't know. Yes, I think it's been class. Yes. I will.
Yeah, quite a few people have stopped coming recently.
Yeah, I understand, but Yen Hong is already past our level already.
Oh yeah, right. Yeah, I was wondering about that. Yeah.
Class with him, and yes, so he already passed our level.
Okay.
That's all. That's it. But very reminder, I will text him if he has some problem or who knows. Rawa? That's all. Ani tujiche tashi delek.
Tujuche gela tashi
Genla.
dile.
겐라.
Tujiche,
Tashi Dilek.
Tashi Dilek.
Definitely.
Cheleg, ani tatu, bye. That's it. Huh?
Bye everybody. Sawadee.